Is that yummy?
Wait, are we going to Jimmy James channel already?
Yeah.
Oh, that's great. I'm just almost finished with my food, and this is what it looks like outside.
I can't see. Jimmy James just finished eating and we are now on the way to Otsuka. It's very close to Ikebukuro. Oh, they cannot see us. Did you like that food?
Yeah, but it's still in my mouth.
Okay, see you later.
Look,
Can you do this?
Galana. There's another.
Come on.
The re fa salati do. The re mi fa salati do. The re fa salati. The re mi fa salati.
We are going to get to Otsuka station.
Oscar, hey look, there's so many cats. So, a tram is a different thing. Do you know what Ishipiku means?
Yeah.
Ishipiku means wa himisuyoi. Akapiku means. Murasaki piku means. Where's the shrine?
I don't know, maybe right down here. That's bad. Never
What?
say that word. Okay. Now we don't know where we are. Still couldn't find the shrine.
No.
Jimmy, come here. See?
How about bakatsu?
That's fine because it's just to explode. It doesn't mean it's a bad word.
I have your shoe. Look at your shoe.
It's a small shrine.
I will make it. Hey, look at one of your favorite anime ones.
Is
Like this.
There are these.
Look, I'm standing here. Are we riding that?
Yep.
I'm gonna run in this park.
There.
Yoshi is like something.
Come on. You're pretty.
I also like that one. This is the Mario and Rabbit game.
It's so hard to stand up here. Can you say
Mostly on
what? Tram. It takes a long time to get to the last stop.
I just did it. I think.
Luckily, we have space in front. We finished riding the tram. Now we got off at the... I forgot what's the name of the station.